Hey guys, we're looking today at parabolas, part 2. So in the previous video notes, we were looking at finding the focus and the directrix of a parabola that either opens up or it opens down. And we talked about this equation right here. We knew that this parabola is going to either open up or down because the x is being squared. So today we're going to look at parabolas that are going to either open to the left or they're going to open to the right. So let's take a look at today's equation. So today's equation is going to be x minus h equals plus or minus 1 over 4c y minus k squared. Okay, and let's look at an example. So we have x minus 2 equals negative 1/4 times y plus 3 squared. Okay, so first of all, notice that the y and the x are flipped. Okay, so when the y is squared, we're going to have a horizontal parabola opening left or right. So in this case, since it's negative, this parabola is going to open to the left. As you can see in Desmos, I went ahead and put the equation in so you can take a look at this. See if I can make this screen bigger. Guess not. Okay, so notice now that my vertex is 2 units to the right and 3 units down. So just like before, when going to vertex form, if we move this minus 2 over here, it becomes plus 2. Okay, so we have a vertex of 2, comma, negative 3. Remember that when you take a number out of a grouping symbol, it changes its sign. And since this number is not in the grouping symbol, it stays the same. And notice the 3 is associated with the y. That's why it's the y coordinate. Okay? So finding the focus is the same as a vertical parabola. We're going to set the denominator equal to 4c. Solve for c. So c equals 1. So we want to go 1 unit into this parabola. So let's go ahead and look back here. And so going 1 unit into the parabola will put us right here. So that focus is going to be 1, comma, negative 3. Now if we go c units out of the parabola, the other direction, and this time instead of drawing a horizontal line, we draw a vertical line for the directrix. And the vertical line has an equation of x equals 3. So the directrix will be x equals 3. So let's take a look. Let's go back here to Desmos real quick and let's put this information in. So our focus we said was going to be at 1, comma, negative 3. And there it is. And then our directrix x equals 3. So do you guys see how this distance c is the same as this distance c to the directrix? I couldn't make a dashed line. It should be a dashed line. So just so you know, this is a dashed line over here for the directrix. Okay, I think that does it for parabolas that are opening to the left and to the right. When you sketch it on your graph, make sure you plot the vertex and you open it the correct direction. So if the A value is negative, it's going to open to the left. So what do you think? If the A value is positive, it's going to open to the... Exactly. Good job. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in class. Don't forget to mark this video as done.